Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to buy a SIM that will work in Uganda. Uganda data eSIM, alright? Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Link and coupon will be in the description, right? Click on link in the description and open this web page via Fly, and click on this and write Uganda. And click on this and open new page. Uganda, high speed, 4G, 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. This fast, this very fast. Alright, and this price, 1 GB 7 days or 3 GB 2 weeks and 1 day. This price 2 weeks, $22. And click on this. Buy 2 eSIM this discount, buy 4 SIM this discount, and buy 6 eSIM discount 25%, right? And this is right 1, okay, or 2 and discount, 4 this discount, and 6 this discount, right? 1. And click on add to cart or buy it now. Click on buy it now and write discount code Ron Tips and click on apply. Write this nice discount for this price and click on Google Pay or write your email, card number, data security code, name of card, and billing address. Select your country and write first name, last name, address, postal code, city, and phone. And click on buy now, and that's all. You buy eSIM. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.